Dave here from DM Online with a little tutorial on backgrounds and effects on Zoom. So this is the desktop version of Zoom, where the one where you have to log into with a passcode and password rather than the browser version. Okay, so logged in now on my laptop, and we just go up to the little gear icon on the top right here, settings, click on that, and then you can see here that you can look at all these different choices. We've clicked on video here because obviously we're using video backgrounds in this case, and you can see all the various settings you have here. Now to play with the backgrounds and effects, we just click on there, backgrounds and filters, and those open up. Now you can see here there's a little icon, a little tick box here that says I have a green screen, which I do, and I've unticked that, and you can see it doesn't offer me any background effects. I do have a green screen, which we'll go through to in a moment, so I'll retick that and we'll wander through to the green screen room and I'll show you how it works. So we're in here now. This is my little video studio, and you can see I've got a green wall here actually, so I've reticked that I have a green screen box, and I'll just go through. These are some of the images that are supplied by Zoom and some that I've added myself, and I can just wander through those. If I want to add more, I can just click on that little icon plus, and I can also change the green screen color. If it's not working very well, I can manually adjust that. We also have all these video filters as well as backgrounds. I've clicked on that, and we can just have a little play with those. There's all sorts of stuff in here that you can add, little overlays. You can use kind of, smartphone like Instagram filters for colors and so on. You can do these little fun things like, this little TV set, or this will be a stage curtain kind of scenario. So you can just have a look through all those. There's kind of borders, and then there's the kind of fun stuff, just for laughs really, isn't there? Little overlays, pirate stuff. Good fun. And this little kind of, spy burglar type thing. Got 3D glasses on here, virtual reality goggles, moustache, hey, fabulous. So good laugh. Some more useful than others, but you can just look through these and find any that might be useful. You also have studio effects, which is a kind of beta thing, which means it's being tested, and there are things here like eyebrow effects, which I don't really notice being particularly effective. Might have to muck around with the settings here. Let's try moustaches and beards. Again, quite faint effect, but I think actually you can adjust this. So if I scroll down a little bit further, there's an opacity, which would be the same for the eyebrows. So if I move that up a bit, you can see that's a much more prominent effect. That's actually quite good. Might actually go for that look. So that's the studio effect. I'll just close that off for the moment. So there you go. That's a quick run through of everything you can do with a Zoom in terms of background effects, fun effects, filters, it's all there. Good fun, good useful stuff. Please feel free to subscribe and like this, and leave me some comments if you've liked it. Thanks for watching. It's been Dave here at DM Online. Cheers.